Exercises like the squat can assist the body in a variety of ways since they are so effective and adaptable. In this video, we'll talk about what will happen to your body if you squat 100 times every day, emphasizing the reasons why this exercise is so beneficial for both physical and mental health. Let's get started and discover the reasons why squats should be a part of your everyday workout routine. Number 1. Improve leg and glute strength. Squats are an excellent workout for strengthening the muscles in the legs and glutes. Squats can result in more strength and tone in these areas when performed frequently. Squats are a full-body exercise for the lower body since they work the quadriceps, hamstrings, and glutes vigorously. Walking, running, and climbing stairs can all become simpler and less unpleasant with stronger legs and glutes. Posture, balance, and stability can all be improved by having strong legs and glutes. Overall, adding squats to your workout routine is a terrific way to improve the health and strength of your lower body. Number 2. Boost cardiovascular health. Daily squats can help your cardiovascular health in addition to strengthening your legs and glutes. Squats are a vigorous activity that can raise heart rate, resulting in increased cardiovascular endurance and better cardiovascular health overall. Regular exercise has been found to promote cardiovascular health by lowering blood pressure, lowering the risk of heart disease, and reducing the risk of other diseases. Additionally, doing squats can expand your lung capacity, which will lead to increased energy and better blood oxygenation. Squats can help your body, but they can also help your mind and your emotions because exercise has been proven to lift your mood and lower stress. Number 3. Enhance flexibility. Regularly doing squats can help improve flexibility, especially in the hips, knees, and ankles. Squats force these joints to move through their complete range of motion, which can increase flexibility and lower the chance of injury. Our joints may become stiffer and less flexible as we age, making regular tasks more difficult. Regularly performing squats can aid in reducing this stiffness, resulting in increased mobility and comfort when moving. Increased flexibility can also lessen the chance of accidents and falls, especially in elderly people. Additionally, adding squats to your workout regimen will enhance stability and balance, making it simpler to carry out daily duties with assurance. Number 4. Strengthen core muscles. Squats help to maintain balance, which helps to build stronger core muscles like the abs, obliques, and lower back. These muscles are used when balancing during a squat, which helps to increase stability and posture. A strong core is essential for general physical health because it protects the spine and supports it. A solid core can help athletes perform better since it makes it simpler to carry out workouts that call for stability and balance. Additionally, lower back pain, a typical complaint for many people, might be helped by developing a strong core. Squat repetitions on a regular basis can assist develop a stronger, more stable core, enhancing general health and well-being. Number 5. Increase calorie burn. Squats are a useful exercise for weight loss and improving overall body composition since they can enhance calorie burn. By adding squats to your daily routine, you can enhance your overall calorie burn. Squats are a weight-bearing workout that can burn a lot of calories. Squats can build muscle growth and burn calories, both of which enhance resting metabolism. Your body will therefore continue to burn more calories even when you aren't exercising. Squats can help you achieve a leaner, stronger physique by assisting in improving your body composition. A good diet and regular exercise can be effective tools for weight loss and improving general health. The bottom line is, the body can benefit greatly from completing 100 squats each day. Squats can help you if you want to strengthen your legs, glutes, heart health, flexibility, core strength, or burn more calories overall. Anyone trying to enhance their physical and mental health can use this workout because it is easy to do, convenient, and equipment-free. So instead of waiting any longer, why not start including squats into your daily routine right now and enjoy the many advantages that this effective workout can offer? Your body and mind will appreciate it. So, will you add 100 squats into your workout routine? Let us know in the comments below.